Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have some fun bee Dollar Tree DIYs. I'm going to make these form a bee themed tier tray, perfect for spring or summer. For the first DIY, we're using one of these little wax warmers that I found at Dollar Tree. It was white with a little bee embossed on it. I thought this would be perfect to make into a little honey pot. And so I'm just going to paint mine yellow first like this for that fun yellow color for a bee all over. And then I wanted to do something a little different there for the top. Instead of using like wax warmers or anything like that, this is just going to be a tier tray decor, so I want to make it look like a honey pot. Once I got it painted yellow, I decided to go over the inside with hot glue, and I wanted to actually string it over the sides. That way it's going to give it the look of honey. Now I didn't have any like special yellow or honey colored hot glue, but I'm going to show you how I made this work. I just kind of filled it in, dripping it over the edges everywhere I wanted, like that. And it has like that kind of clear opacity like that already. Now I know that I painted it yellow already, but I thought that the honey was going to need a little bit different color. So once I get it all on there and my like faux honey sets up, I'm going to go over it with some gold acrylic paint. And it's got that metallic sheen, and I thought that would make it look golden like honey. So I just go over and paint all of my hot glue. It sets up actually pretty quickly on there. If you pop it in the refrigerator, it will set up even quicker. But it looks like honey is overflowing out of the pot, and I love that gold and the yellow together. I think it looks so fun for a bee theme. So that's one way you can do it without any special hot glue. I just used whatever I had and just kind of touch up some of my yellow here, anywhere I got a little bit too much gold on it. This is how it turned out. I thought maybe a few more details for the little bee on there. It's already gold, so I think that that looks really cute. It's like a bee distressed there on the front of our little honey pot. Perfect for a tier tray, just the right size. The next item I found was this little honeycomb candle holder from the Dollar Tree. I didn't like the shade of gold it was because I'd already used this gold spray paint. So I went outside and sprayed this one, added a little tea light to this one as well, and we have a little bee candle holder. I just used a metallic spray paint on that, so all of my golds on my tier tray would match. This is how my bee tier tray turned out. I'm going to show you from both sides so you can see the variety of different bee DIYs we made for this tier tray. If you would like the entire tier tray crafting video or just more bee DIYs in general, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!